How to be notified when a game goes on sale on Steam. So the first thing to do is add games to your wish list, and this is a very simple process to do. Simply go to the store page for any game on Steam and you will see a button right here that says add to your wish list. And when you click on that, you will then get email notifications when these particular games go on sale. Now let's check this option is turned on. So click on your name to the top right of the Steam interface and then click on account details. Now from here, click on manage email preferences towards the bottom here. And then finally, you can check if the top option is checked, which says send me an email when a discount is applied to an item on my Steam wish list. So when games are discounted and they're also on your Steam wishlist, you will get an email notification telling you that the discount is live. And that is all you have to do. So if this video helped, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment. And also click the subscribe button to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers.